Hello and welcome. Here we have a polynomial x cubed plus 5x minus 7, and we're going to use long division to divide it by x minus 4. So we have a third degree polynomial here, but you'll notice that the x squared term or the quadratic term is not present, and it really is important to make sure that it's there as a placeholder in this expression. Otherwise the process of long division won't work. So what I'm going to do is rewrite this x cubed plus 5x minus 7 as x cubed plus 0 x squared plus 5x minus 7, and we're going to divide this by x minus 4. Okay, so this leading x term now, what do I need to multiply this by to get x cubed? I'm going to have to multiply that by x squared, and I'm going to put that in the same column as my x squared term. So x squared multiplied by x will give me x cubed. X squared multiplied by negative 4 will give me negative 4x squared. And I subtract the new line from the terms above it. So x cubed minus x cubed is 0. 0x squared minus 4x squared. That becomes a positive 4x squared. Bring the 5x down. Now what do I need to multiply x to get 4x squared? Well, I need a 4x. So 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times negative 4 gives me negative 16x. And again, I subtract the new line from the line above. 4x squared minus 4x squared is 0. 5x minus negative 16x is 21x. Bring the 7 down, bring the negative 7 down. Now finally, what do I need to multiply x by to get 21x? And the answer is 21. So 21 times x gives me 21x. And 21 multiplied by negative 4 gives me negative 84. And again, subtract the new line from the line above, and I'll get 21 minus 21x is 0. Negative 7 plus 84 is positive 77. So this gives me a remainder of 77. So x cubed plus 5x minus 7 divided by x minus 4 is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 21 plus 77 divided by x minus 4. And again, this format follows the same principle as a numerical long division. When we are dividing numbers, we may write the answer as a mixed number, so the remainder is written as a fraction and the whole number is left out the front. So this is the equivalent of writing our result as a mixed number. So we have the whole number part here and we have the fraction here. But I can also rewrite this as, if I multiply both sides of this equation by x minus 4, x cubed plus 5x minus 7 is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 21 times x minus 4 plus 77. I'm going to call this term p of x, p for polynomial. This term I shall call the q of x, the quotient. This term I shall call d of x for divisor. And finally this term I shall call the r of x, r for remainder. All of these can be functions of x, but it's important to note that the degree of the remainder will be less than the degree of the divisor. So in this case, r of x is a 0th degree polynomial, so it's just a constant, and d of x is a 1st degree polynomial because the power of x is 1 and it's a linear expression. So just write that down, degree of Rx is less than the d of x, the divisor. So generally a polynomial can be written as p is equal to q, quotient, times the divisor plus a remainder, and this is called the division identity. Division ID, and this will come into significance when I talk about the remainder theorem in my next video. Alright, stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like. If you are currently studying math, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for future videos that may help you on exams or assignments. And as always, please feel free to ask me any question by commenting on any of the videos that you've seen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've learned something.